good morning class 8th. Hope you all are safe and sound. Okay, today I am going to teach you the chapter The Echoing Green. Actually this is the poem and chapter 9 of your MCB, means main course book. Okay, so this poem is written by William Blake, who is a renowned poet. Actually in this poem he describes about the nature. He actually appreciate the nature, okay, where it is the season, that is spring season, where children are playing outdoors, okay, and the images, the sounds that accompany the children, means ऐसा एक सीनरी के बारे में इस पोएम में पोएट ने डिस्क्राइब किया है, जहाँ पे जो इमेजेस हैं, जो साउंड्स हैं, जो कि बच्चे जहाँ आउटडोर गेम खेल रहे हैं, मीन्स उन सारे सिचुएशन के बारे में वो पोएट एक्सप्लेन करता है. ओके, सो रीड द चैप्टर, मीन्स रीड द पोएम line by line. There are 3 stanzas in the poem. I am explaining you the first stanza, so read it. The sun does arise and make happy the skies. It means the sun does arise means when the sun arises, the light of the sun actually makes the sky beautiful. Okay, means sun क्या हो रहा है, means सूरज उगता है and make happy the sky, means sky को happy कैसे करेगा, it actually makes a beautiful scene because of the light of the sun when it arises. Okay, the merry bell ring, the merry bells ring. Merry bells here refers to the church bells. Okay, means जो चर्च पे जो bells बजते हैं उसी बेल के बारे में पोएट आपको एक्सप्लेन करना चाह रहा है. मीन्स द मेरी बेल्स रिंग. मेरी बेल्स क्या हो रहे हैं, रिंग कर रहे हैं. मीन्स सन अराइजेस एंड द स्काई बिकम्स हैप्पी एंड द मेरी बेल्स ऑल्सो रिंग एट दैट टाइम. टू वेलकम द स्प्रिंग, इट मीन्स स्प्रिंग इज अ सीजन. मीन्स ये सारी सीनरी क्यों हो रही है, वाई, टू वेलकम द स्प्रिंग. द skylark and the thrush. Here in this poem, the skylark and the thrush means 2 kinds of birds. Okay, skylark and thrush are birds. The birds of the bush sing louder around, means all kind of birds like skylark, thrush, and the birds of the bush means small birds like sparrows. They all are singing also. They are all chirping. They are all actually producing the chirping sounds. Okay, and these birds, that is skylark and the thrush, they are flying high in the sky, and sparrow actually fly around the ground. Okay, to the bells cheerful sound while our sports shall be seen on the echoing greens. Means these all scenes are being created when actually the children are playing outdoors various games. On where they are playing, they are playing on the echoing green. Green means greenery, fields full of green. Okay, and this echoing green means repetition होगा इस images का, इस scenery का. Why? Because आज वो children खेल रहे हैं, next further these scenes are recreated. Okay, तो these sports are being carried on the echoing green. Okay, next we will study the next stanzas. Actually before going to the next stanza, I want to tell you one thing, that in poem, poem means kavita. Okay, means poem mein you have stanzas and in stories you get paragraphs. Okay, right, read this, means carefully understand this point, that you don't have paragraphs in the poem, you have stanzas in the poem and paragraphs you have in stories. Okay, we come to next stanza. Now come to the next stanza. Old John with white hair. Old John here means John is an old man who has white hair. Okay, does laugh away care. Means old John, what old John actually does is he is actually laughing without caring anything. Okay, he may have many problems, but at this time he is not caring about anything. Means वो कुछ भी नहीं सोच रहे हैं. He is only thinking about the scenes, about the games which the children are actually playing. तो वो क्या करते हैं? Old John is actually laughing, हंस रहे हैं. Sitting under the oak. The oak here does not only means tree, means it is a tree, oak is a tree, but this also refers to longevity. Longevity means how long this old man life was. Okay, means he actually have many problems in his life. He have many experiences. Apart, keeping these experiences apart, what he is actually doing? He is laughing, sitting under the oak among the old folk. Means he is along with his friends also. Means along with this old John, there are also many other old men who is with that old John, and they all are actually laughing at the play, means games of the children. Okay, they laugh at our play. They are laughing at the children's play. And soon they all say, such were the joys when we all girls and boys in our youth time were seen on the echoing green. Means at this time he is actually thinking about the time when he was very young and he was children. Okay, at that time he is there at that time, and he is actually thinking that when I was very young and I was playing games, it was a pleasant days and it was a happiest day of his life. He is actually thinking about that. Means वो old man हंस रहा है अपने friends के साथ बच्चों के गेम पे. क्यों? क्योंकि वो ये भी सोच रहे हैं कि वाह, what were the days जब वो बहुत छोटे थे और वो इस तरीके से गेम खेलते थे, तो उस दिनों की भी क्या बात थी. He was actually thinking about that. Now come to the last stanza. Now we come to the last stanza, that is, till the little ones weary, no more can be merry. Means now at the last stanza, poet is actually saying that the little ones, that means the children, are actually feeling tired. They are tired of playing and there are no merry bells since now it is ringing. Okay. The sun does descend. क्या होता है? Sun also gets darker and our sports have an end. And now the children stops playing at the greenery. Okay. क्या होता है? अब उनका स्पोर्ट्स क्या होता है? It comes to an end. अब वो अपने स्पोर्ट्स को एंड देते हैं. Round the laps of their mothers. Round the laps of their mothers means, laps means गोद. अब क्या करते हैं? बच्चे अपने माँ के गोद में चले जाते हैं for taking rest. Okay. Many sisters and brothers, like birds in the nest, are ready for rest. It means many brothers and sisters were there who were playing in the playground. Now they are tired of playing and now they go round the laps of their mothers for taking rest along with the birds who are also tired of making chirping sounds at the scenery, and now the birds are also going in the nest for taking rest. Okay, and sports no more seen. और अब क्या है? कोई भी sports नहीं दिख रहा because the night has come on the darkening green, and now that greenery gets darker because it is the end of the day for the children. Okay, but this is the scene which continues further. Means next day the children will be out for the purpose of playing. Thank you. This is the end of the poem. I had given you the summary. You have to write the summary before writing anything. Okay, you have to write the summary, that is gist of the poem. After that you have to write word meaning, hard words of the poem, and after that you have to do the question answers and exercises in your note copy. Okay, notebook. Thank you.